welcome back to my channel. And today I'm doing a little collab with UNice Hair. I'm actually getting a wig done. First time ever having a wig, like for real. Even though you've seen on my post, yeah, like the headband wig, yeah, but actually I'm getting like a full-on install wig on my head, and I'm very excited to see what I look like with the wig on. I'm going to show you the wig now. So it's from UNice Hair. That's what the package looks like. It's so cute, and they gave me a few things like goodies as well, like for the hair, like headbands and like everything. So I'm going to show you the hair first. Little bag. So I'm just going to carefully open it. Ah, I got caught on my nail. This is why I hate having long nails sometimes. Wig's actually so beautiful. Like, look at the colour and the way it waves like that. Like, the way it blends. And also it's real hair, by the way. It's human hair. So I'm going to show you like the scalp, because that's literally the main part of it. Look, see. This looks like the scalp. And what it looks like inside. It has, this is how long it is. That's what it looks like on the side. Okay, so that's the wig. Just want to let you guys know that's the wig. I'll show you guys the wig beforehand, because tomorrow I'm getting my hair done with that wig, obviously, and we're getting straight into the video. So my mate, yeah. So my mate is doing my hair. She's really close. I knew her from college, so she's doing my hair. So yeah, I'm very excited. So yeah, so basically I'll see you guys tomorrow then. So this is me. I look really dusty and crusty as always. So this is my mate, and you guys should defo check out her page. She'll be uploading very soon, yeah, but she can do braids and installs. And now she's applying the wig cap on me, and so the majority of this video, we literally just chat shit. We were chatting rubbish about Instagram and talking about hair, and that's it. So she already melted the wig cap. Right now she's applying powder onto my wig cap so it looks more natural. So now she's gonna apply on the wig for me. Oh my god, this was actually a struggle, I can't lie. Now she is plucking the edge of the wig so she can do my baby hairs. Now she's using the eyebrow razor so she can cut the baby hairs. So I'm on FaceTime and he was chatting rubbish. Hear you. Look. 1 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? Bye! So now she's doing my edges, and that's pretty much the most important thing for me. Who does not love edges? Like, come on, edges is the thing. Now she's moving on to curl my hair. Now she's laying it down a little bit more. So now this is the finished look. So this is pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.